how to floss. So when you're flossing, some people put the floss in and they saw their gums, and that just makes the gums sore and it doesn't remove the plaque or food debris. What you need to do when you're flossing is you need to put it between your teeth, wrap it around one tooth and lift up. Put it in again, wrap it around the other tooth and lift up. Now another issue is when people floss, they don't go right down to the gum crevice. So if you've got your floss between your teeth and you only go over here and lift up, you're not getting right to the bottom, which is right here in this gum crevice, because that's where all the plaque and the debris is going, and that's causing the gum damage. So when you floss, you need to make sure you go all the way to the bottom. Don't force it down, but just go down as far as it will go, and then you lift up. Do the same on the other side, and lift up. And then you'll just get off any debris or plaque in the gum crevice there. And do the same for the other side. Wrap it around the tooth, lift up, put it back in, wrap it around the tooth in front, and lift up.